Welcome to the vibrant and culturally rich city of Salvador, Brazil, where every corner is a celebration of life. Nestled on the northeastern coast of Brazil, Salvador is a captivating blend of history, Afro-Brazilian heritage, and breathtaking landscapes. Get ready to immerse yourself in a kaleidoscope of colors, flavors, and rhythms as we uncover the 10 best things to see and do in Salvador. Number 10. Immerse yourself in the world of Capoeira. Originally developed by Brazilian slaves, Capoeira cleverly blends self-defense techniques with dance-like movements. Experience the heart-pounding rhythms, the mesmerizing acrobatics, and the electrifying energy of this ancient martial art. In Salvador, the birthplace of Capoeira, you can witness captivating performances that will leave you in awe. And why not try it yourself? Engage in a Capoeira workshop and learn the graceful kicks and spins guided by skilled masters. Immerse yourself in the rich heritage of Capoeira and unleash your inner warrior. Number 9. Visit Basílica do Senhor do Bonfim. This magnificent 18th century church nestled in the lower town is a must-see attraction. Experience the awe-inspiring Festa do Senhor do Bonfim celebration held annually in January, where the city comes alive with music, dance, and joyous festivities. Marvel at the intricate Bahian bands, symbolic of faith and good luck, adorning the church's interior. Learn about the captivating history of the Nosso Senhor do Bonfim statue, brought all the way from Portugal in 1740. The Bonfim Brotherhood welcomes pilgrims, offering a place of refuge and devotion. Explore this sacred landmark and embrace the spirit of Salvador. Number 8. Ride to new heights at Elevador Lacerda. Elevate your experience in Salvador, Brazil with a journey on the iconic Lacerda elevator. Connecting the lower city to the upper city, this historic urban elevator is a marvel of engineering. Built between 1869 and 1873, it stands as a testament to Salvador's rich history. Step into the beautifully renovated Art Deco towers and ascend to breathtaking heights. As you rise, be captivated by the panoramic views that unfold before your eyes. The cityscape, the harbor, and the mesmerizing Bay of All Saints create a mesmerizing backdrop. The elevator Lacerda offers not just convenient transportation, but an unforgettable experience. Number 7. Tranquilize your buds with Bahian dishes. Indulge in the flavors of Salvador and experience the culinary delights of Bahian cuisine. Immerse yourself in Afro-Brazilian culture as you savor traditional dishes that will tantalize your taste buds. Dive into the rich and aromatic moqueca, a mouth-watering seafood stew infused with garlic, parsley, coconut milk, and the vibrant flavors of dende oil. Delight in the creamy vatapa, a savory dish with shrimp, coconut milk, and bread reminiscent of a delectable curry. Treat yourself to the irresistible acarajé, a simple yet flavorful delight made from mashed beans, ground shrimp, and a medley of spices. Let the flavors of Salvador transport you to a world of culinary bliss. Number 6. Visit the forts. Take a break from the beach and embark on a journey through time. Start at the Barra lighthouse, a symbol of Salvador with its striking black and white stripes. Inside, delve into the maritime history of the region at the Bahia Nautico Museum. Next, discover the 17th century Fort of São Diogo, strategically perched for breathtaking bay views. Immerse yourself in the exhibits of the fort's museum and immerse yourself in the rich heritage of Salvador. If you're lucky, your visit may coincide with one of its vibrant cultural events. Capture the essence of history, beauty, and culture at the forts of Salvador. Number 5. Step into sacred splendor at the Church and Convent of San Francisco. Located in the historical center of Salvador, this magnificent site is a must-see. The ornate Church of the Third Order of St. Francis, alongside the convent, will leave you in awe. Originally constructed by the Franciscan order in the late 16th century, the current structure was completed in the 18th century after the previous one was destroyed by the Dutch. Prepare to be amazed by the staggering number of azulejos, traditional Portuguese tiles, adorning the church and convent, totaling 55,000, the most in any Latin American church. These remarkable buildings are part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site, the historic center of Salvador, and are among the 7 wonders of Portuguese origin in the world. Number 4. Experience the majestic Farol de Barra. Situated at the southern tip of the city, at the entrance of the Bay of All Saints, this lighthouse holds a significant place in maritime heritage. Originally built in 1839 and dedicated by Dom Pedro II of Brazil, it stands as a symbol of navigation and safety, The masonry structure, painted with striking black and white bands, rises 22 meters high. Admire its tapered tower, crowned with a historic Fresnel lens dating back to 1890. The Barra lighthouse's history intertwines with the growth of commerce and the tragic shipwreck of Galeo Santissimo Sacramento. Explore this majestic landmark and witness its captivating story. Number 3. Go to the beach. When in Salvador, Brazil, indulge in the blissful coastal beauty that surrounds this vibrant city. Discover Porto de Barra Beach, nestled beside the historic Forte São Diogo. Bask in the sun and feel the soft sand between your toes. Just around the corner lies Farol de Barra Beach, equally enchanting with its expansive shoreline. However, exercise caution when swimming, as the shores are protected by submerged rocks. Soak in the panoramic views and let the rhythmic waves soothe your soul. Whether you seek relaxation or adventure, Salvador's beaches offer a perfect escape. Immerse yourself in the natural splendor and embrace the coastal charm of this extraordinary destination. Number 2. Immerse yourself in the soul of Salvador at Pelourinho. Discover the vibrant heart of the city in this district perched on an 85-meter escarpment. Pelourinho is home to an extraordinary collection of colonial buildings, dating back to the 17th and 18th centuries. Marvel at the architectural splendor that earned it the distinction of being a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Stroll along Rua Gregorio de Matos and explore the Museu da Cidade, where life-size candomblé figures come to life in ceremonial dances. Visit the Abelardo Rodrigues Museum, housed in a historic mansion, showcasing sacred and folk art. Don't miss the Casa do Benin, dedicated to the rich culture of the Old Kingdom of Benin. Experience the soulful essence of Salvador and Pelourinho, a captivating journey through history and heritage. Number 1. Visit Ilha dos Frades. Visit Ilha dos Frades, a hidden gem nestled in the stunning Bay of All Saints. This picturesque island is a part of Salvador, Bahia, and offers a tranquil escape from the bustling city. Immerse yourself in the lush beauty of the Atlantic forest, with its preserved vegetation and native Brazil wood. As you explore the island's 6-kilometer stretch, you'll be captivated by its unique shape resembling a 15-pointed star. Ilha dos Frades is a protected area, recognized as part of the Environmental Protection Area of the Bay of All Saints. Discover the pristine landscapes, relax on secluded beaches, and experience the natural wonders of this enchanting island retreat. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.